In today's tutorial, I will guide you on how to summarize text on Qwen Ai. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your desired web browsing application. For me, it's Google. On your Google search bar, you have to type in Qwen Ai and it will get you this interface. Now simply paste or type your text you want to summarize. You can copy it from article or a PDF or an email, whatever you need, and you have to paste it in your chat box. Once you have copied your text, you have to click on more and then you can see the option of summarize text. Tap on it and you can select one of the option given. Tap on it and you can get the result of your text input over here. So this is how you summarize text on Qwen Ai. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.